Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best face fillers on the market, the RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Facial Filler with Hyaluronic Acid. If you're looking to smooth out deep wrinkles, fine lines, and bring back that youthful plumpness to your skin, this product is definitely worth your attention. What makes this wrinkle filler stand out is its dual-action formula. It combines the power of retinol, which is a proven anti-aging ingredient, with hydrating hyaluronic acid. The retinol works by accelerating your skin's natural renewal process, helping to remove dull, old surface skin cells and reveal fresher, healthier skin underneath. Meanwhile, hyaluronic acid provides intense hydration, instantly plumping and smoothing the skin for a visibly softer look. When you first apply this product, you'll notice that it begins to fill creases right away, giving your skin a smoother and re-plumped appearance. Over time, with consistent use, it continues to reduce the appearance of deep wrinkles and crow's feet, with clinical studies showing visible improvement in as little as 4 weeks. One of the reasons RoC is so trusted in the skincare world is their commitment to stabilizing pure retinol, ensuring that the ingredient remains potent and effective. The formulation includes antioxidants and chelating agents that prevent the retinol from degrading, meaning you get maximum wrinkle-fighting benefits without harsh irritation. In fact, RoC's retinol formulas are dermatologist-tested and designed to be gentle enough for daily use by both men and women. Packaging also plays a crucial role in preserving the formula's potency. RoC packages their retinol products in opaque tubes or bottles that limit exposure to light and air, which helps maintain the effectiveness of the retinol over time. This attention to detail ensures that what you're applying on your skin is fresh and potent every time. The texture of the wrinkle filler is creamy yet lightweight and unscented, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores, and it works well as part of both your morning and evening skincare routine. Just apply it to wrinkles around the mouth, cheeks, and forehead, and avoid the delicate eye area. RoC offers separate eye creams specifically formulated for that sensitive zone. It's important to note that when you start using retinol products like this one, it's normal to experience a slight tingling or tightening sensation as your skin adjusts. RoC recommends beginning with application every other night, gradually increasing to nightly use as your skin builds tolerance. Also, because retinol can increase your skin's sensitivity to sunlight, be sure to use a sunscreen with SPF 15 or higher during the day while using this product. Besides targeting wrinkles and fine lines, the inclusion of ingredients like glycerin and antioxidants helps improve overall skin tone and texture, making your complexion look more even and revitalized. The hyaluronic acid component draws moisture into the skin, helping to combat dryness and leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated. If you're considering a comprehensive anti-aging regimen, RoC actually offers a full line of retinol correction products. These include serums, day creams with SPF, and night creams designed to complement this wrinkle filler for maximum age-defying results. To sum it up, the RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Facial Filler is a scientifically backed, dermatologist-tested, and highly effective treatment that immediately smooths and plumps the skin while working over time to reduce even deep wrinkles. Its combination of pure retinol and hyaluronic acid makes it one of the best wrinkle fillers available for those wanting to achieve younger-looking, healthier skin. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.